Fearsome winds and raging flames, the Palisades fire is a nightmare come true for thousands. Firefighters battle the fast-moving blaze that erupted along Piedra Morada Drive, growing to over 2,900 acres. Homes are damaged, and thousands are forced to evacuate, leaving their cars behind in a desperate attempt to escape. In Altadena, the Eaton fire engulfs homes, with firefighters struggling to contain the embers on Veneto Avenue. Evacuation orders expand to Sierra Madre and Arcadia as the Eaton fire spreads. Fire hydrants in Pacific Palisades run dry, hampering efforts to control the blaze. Powerful gusts of up to 99 miles per hour whip through Altadena, sending embers flying and igniting more homes. The Hearst fire erupts in Sylmar, leading to mandatory evacuations as it grows rapidly. Fearsome winds ground firefighting aircraft, making it even harder to battle the Palisades fire. Schools in Pasadena, San Marino, Glendale, and other areas close due to the Eaton fire. Burn victims are treated at Duke's Malibu restaurant, highlighting the human toll of these fires. The Eaton fire explodes in Pasadena and Altadena, burning over 400 acres and prompting more evacuations. The Burt fire in Pasadena adds to the chaos, expanding to 3 acres. Extreme winds force the suspension of air coverage for both the Palisades and Eaton fires. Santa Monica issues an evacuation order for areas north of San Vicente Boulevard due to the Palisades fire. The iconic Real and restaurant burns down, a heartbreaking loss for the community. Governor Newsom visits the fire site, calling it a hell of a way to start a new year. The Palisades fire reaches the playing fields of Palisades High, with the fate of structures uncertain. The Getty Villa Museum grounds catch fire, but the art remains safe for now. Governor Newsom emphasizes the year-round fire risk in California, urging residents to heed evacuation orders. The Palisades fire continues to grow, fueled by strong winds and challenging topography. Residents like Darren Hurwitz flee their homes, grabbing what they can as the flames close in. Motorists face chaos and danger as they try to escape the fast-moving flames in Pacific Palisades. The Palisades fire explodes to nearly 3,000 acres, forcing thousands to flee and destroying homes. Southern California braces for the most destructive winds since 2011, with gusts up to 100 miles per hour. Southern California Edison shuts off power to thousands of customers to prevent further fire outbreaks. Firefighters work tirelessly to save homes and lives, despite the challenging conditions. The community comes together, offering support and shelter to those affected by the fires. The battle against the flames continues, with firefighters and residents hoping for a break in the weather. The resilience of the people shines through as they face the devastating impact of these wildfires. As the fires rage on, the focus remains on safety and survival, with everyone doing their part. In the face of adversity, the spirit of Southern California remains unbroken. Stay strong, stay safe.